How to focus for hours. The deep work method. Most people think they have an attention span problem. They don't. They have a strategy problem. We live in an era where your focus is being auctioned off to the highest bidder. Social media, notifications, and constant noise. But what if you could flip a switch and enter a state where hours of work feel like minutes and your productivity triples? This isn't a pipe dream. It's called deep work. Defining the problem. Cal Newport, the professor who coined the term, defines deep work as professional activities performed in a state of distraction-free concentration that push your cognitive capabilities to their limit. The opposite, shallow work, checking emails, Slack messages, and quick status updates. These tasks keep you busy, but they don't move the needle. The danger isn't just the distraction itself, it's attention residue. The deep work protocol. To master this, you need a protocol. You don't just try to focus, you build a fortress around your mind. Step 1. Choose your philosophy. The monastic approach, going completely off the grid for days. Hard for most. The bimodal approach, splitting your week. For example, 2 days deep, 3 days shallow. The rhythmic approach, the most effective for most. Setting a specific deep work block every single day. Same time, same place. Step 2. The pre-flight ritual. Professional athletes don't just walk onto the field, they warm up. Your brain needs a trigger. Environment. Clear your desk. Digital hygiene. Phone in another room, not face down. Another room. Fuel. A glass of water or coffee. No snacking during the block. Step 3. Define the whale. Don't sit down to work. Sit down to complete the first draft of Chapter 3. If the goal is vague, your brain will hunt for a distraction. Managing the boredom gap. The hardest part is the first 20 minutes. This is where your brain screams for a hit of dopamine. You'll feel an almost physical itch to check your phone. Expect this. Deep work is a muscle. If you can't sit through the boredom, you'll never reach the flow state. When the urge hits, acknowledge it, and then go back to the task. This is where the relentless mindset is built, in the struggle against the distraction. The shutdown ritual. Deep work is exhausting. You cannot do it for 8 hours. Most experts max out at 4. To stay consistent, you must learn to turn it off. Have a shutdown ritual. Close the laptop, write down what you need to do tomorrow, and say out loud, "Work complete." This gives your brain permission to recover so you can go deep again tomorrow. The ability to focus is becoming the superpower of the 21st century. While everyone else is distracted, you will be producing Start Tomorrow. 1 hour, no phone, no excuses. Relentless mindset. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Comment below. What is the one distraction that always breaks your focus? Let's solve it together. Stay focused. Stay relentless.